How to fix Reolink NVR playback issues. Simple video playback and recording fix. Fix 1. Restart the app or client. Step 1. Exit and reopen the Reolink app or client. Step 2. Wait for the live view to load, then attempt playback. Step 3. If playback fails at the end, wait a few minutes and try again. Wait a few minutes and try again. Fix 2. Switch network connections. Change your device's network connection, e.g., switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to ensure a stable connection. Fix 3. Switch camera stream modes. Toggle between clear and fluent modes in the live view settings to see if playback improves. Fix 4. Use different access methods. Try accessing playback through the Reolink app, client software, web browser, or directly on the NVR monitor. Ensure all software is up to date. Fix 5. Format the HDD. Step 1. Reboot the NVR. Step 2. After rebooting, format the HDD to ensure it's functioning correctly. Fix 6. Reinstall the HDD. Step 1. Power off the NVR. Step 2. Unplug and replug the HDD to ensure it's properly connected. Fix 7. Update firmware. Ensure your NVR and cameras are running the latest firmware.